Dude, what the fuck?
So Rachel just tried to open up the what?
The washing machine.
The washing machine,
And all the water's.
and all the water spilled. Look at this.
How the hell?
Look at this.
Wait, should I open it again?
No. I swear to God, no. No. Oh my God.
It's
Yeah, try it.
It's locked.
Oh my God.
It's not opening now.
Wait, did you just start it?
Wait, how do I unlock it?
Did you just start it? Oh my God. You broke it. Rachel broke the washer.
Fuck.
Rachel, did you break the washer?
No.
Yes or no?
My clothes are in here. Oh my God, it's still leaking.
Rachel broke the washer.
Mom!
Rachel. Stacy, get over here! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Dude, it's not open.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Mom! Oh no.
Holy shit!
Oh no.
Oh no, well,
Mom!
that's $1 million taken out of the bank,
Mom!
right? Right?
Dude, my clothes are in there.
Right?
Mom!
Hold
I'm
on.
here. This shit is leaking. The washing machine.
Come here now!
Mom. First of all.
Go see what your daughter did
I
right
opened
now.
the door and
Go
all
see what
this
your daughter
water
did.
was pouring out of here, and now my clothes are locked in the washing machine. Like,
Okay, wipe it up, Rachel, before you start ruining everything.
well, meanwhile, can you get my clothes out? It's not letting me unlock it. And there's water in here.
Holy crap!
We're going to eat. Come on.
No, you can't leave me with
Bye!
Wipe it all up.
Just
Mom,
worn out.
How do I get my clothes out?